हमारे न्यू एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ेंगे इनहेरिटेंस। व्हाट इज इनहेरिटेंस? प्रोवाइड्स ए वे टू क्रिएट ए न्यू क्लास फ्रॉम एन एग्जीक्यूटिंग क्लास। द न्यू क्लास एंड द स्पेशलाइजेशन वर्जन ऑन द existing class. Example: inheriting theoretical and instance have the creating characters. The is a relationship inheritance establishments and is a relationship between classes. The pendulum is a dog. A car is a vehicle. A flower is a planet. A football player is an athlete. Inheritance terminology and the neutron organ back on the relationship and object on the derived classes and is the object of the base class. Example: an undergraduate is a student and manual is the animal and derived object all the based on base class. What is does a child have of the object from the derived class as the all member defined in the child class, all member declared in parents class, and object of the declared class can use of public member of the defined in is a child class, all public member defined in parent class. Protected member and protected member access specialization like of the private where the accessible by object on the derived class. Number 2, class access specification determines how the provide and the protected and the public member of the base class are the inherited by on the derived class. Class access specifiers public object on the derived class and the stand on the object based on class, not vice. Protected more of the restrictive than of the public but allow on the derived classes of the knower details of the parent prevent the object on the derived class from the beginning trained add object of the base class. Inheritance vs access. Base class member provide access protected by y public z or provide based on the how to inherit it based on the class member appear in the derived class. X is the increasable provide y parent z provided x provided by y public z protected plus x protected by x y z protected. Inheritance is access class grade provide private member chair letters float scope wide call grant public member wide state float grade score chair letter. When the test class inheriting from the classes using public class except it look it like class test public grant public member in the MC question of the float of the in public member private inheritance access class private constructor and the constructor in base of the derived classes in the can there of the constructor have the constructor of the one object of the derived class created of the base classes. Constructor is the execute first allowed of the derived classes. Constructor one object of the derived classes. कंस्ट्रक्टर एंड द डिसकंस्ट्रक्टर बेस्ड ऑन द ड्राइव प्रोग्राम जैसा देख सकते हैं इस प्रोग्राम डिस्ट्रक्टर है ऑर्डर के लिए बीच ऑन द है